New Honda Goldwing 1800cc technology features Toyota 5 to Toyota 6.
Key technology updates for 2025. The most significant technology enhancement for the 2025 model year is in connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Goldwing now offers wireless compatibility for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on its 7-inch TFT display, replacing the need for a wired connection for smartphone integration. Audio system refinements. Updates include improved Bluetooth connectivity for the rider, passenger intercom, and enhanced speaker output quality, especially at higher speeds. Navigation shift. The built-in, dedicated navigation system has been removed in some markets, with mapping functionalities now intended to be fully managed through the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration.